Elliot White here from Modern Flames. Today we're on location going to shoot the installation and setup of Modern Flames' new Allwood fireplace wall system. Come on in. Inside now, we've located our blank wall and all of our pieces laid out. Modern Flames designed this product to be installed by 2 people in 1 hour. Let's put it to the test. All right, halfway done. You see we got the main fireplace wall set. Left to do is the electric fireplace and each pier. Let's finish it up. So here we are, finished product, fireplace wall and fireplace all installed. It was just as easy as we thought it would be and took us just over an hour and absolutely transformed this room.